Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I was totally, in fact, impressed. I think all the MLAs, basically all 40 MLAs should come and have a look at the plant. So simply do and try, they make that is a smell, this thing, I think. And because ultimately garbage, we are on our villages and our cities are basically collecting the garbage. But I think all of them, hardly any MLAs must have come and visit the plant. I request all the MLAs, I think one day we will have this thing, in fact, a visit to the garbage treatment plant for them to understand how the plant works. See now, Hakan Saita plant you not maybe at this scale, but in a smaller scale. See now one is coming at Kurtari. Bangini plant is going to come. Then there are other plants. One is going to come in Verna industrial. So basically we will cater. See, this garbage issue will be a problem of yesterday in some time. Maybe a year's time or 2 years time. I think if you go in the market, there's much more smell in the market than in the plant. Now, most important thing is the some sort of issue. We are here to solve that issue. I will call for a meeting with the stakeholders like Mr. Vijay Santesai and Mr. Digambar Kamat and Regional. I will call them to the plant. We'll have a meeting here itself, and we will solve the some sort of issue once for all. The rest is